going to India. Hi, my name is Andrea Andres. I'm 60 years old and I live in the US, in Georgia. I have had pain in my knees, arthritis, for a few years. At first, it was just like the pain would be bothersome in the cold weather or if it rains. But as time went by, I was at the place where I can't walk. I started to walk with a cane for support. My joints started to fuse together because I'm not able to bend them as regularly as I'm supposed to, like a normal person. So I'm walking like a stick figure with two straight feet. I would have been given long-term disability because I can't work, because I can't stand for more than 30 minutes. I can't stand to cook. I can't stand and balance to sweep. I can't do anything. So I discovered IndiCure, and I fill out the questionnaire online, and I started to send them the information that they ask about why I'm looking for um, orthopedic surgery. They wanted a copy of my x-ray, they wanted some information about my health, and the usual thing. I was thinking that all across the world, the requirements are the same. I have to lose 100 pounds before the surgery. So one of the IndiCure staff that was responding to my questions, she wanted to know why I'm not moving forward. I told her, thanks for everything, but I'm too fat. I can't do the surgery. She asked how heavy I was. I told her, and she responded. She said, once you're in pain, we will do the surgery. And I told her, but I'm like 300 pounds. And she said, once you're in pain, we will do the surgery. So I decided, okay, yes, because it's either I go to India and get a surgery done, or I live a life where I am just staying in bed or sitting on the chair. Several reasons I decided I'm going to go to India. They told me everything they will provide. They will provide a car at the airport to take me to the hotel. They would provide a car from the hotel to the doctor. Because I'm a stranger in India, I don't know my way around. They're going to have everything all set up. So I bought my ticket, and then the approvals for the visa came. I'm going to India. So I arrived in India. Oh yes, IndiCure also helped me book the room, find the hotel, show them my identification, they bring me to the room, and I lie in the bed. The next day they picked me up, they sent the car to take me to the doctor, and then I went to do the pre-op testing to make sure that my I'm safe enough to do the surgery. They had an artifact on my EKG, which I know about because it was there even when I was younger. And the surgical team called the cardiologist in. He's not going to take a risk to make sure that the artifact is not detrimental. It was as thorough as it would have been in America. And the operation was done successfully. I woke up, PT came and said, do you want to get up? I was like, yes. Thank you to IndiCure, because if I call and said I need something, they will come to the room right away. Thank you to IndiCure for providing transportation. Everything you guys promised that you would do, you've done and more. Because even after surgery, when I'm able to walk, you guys are willing even to let me have a leisure trip around India to see places and stuff. But I'm so excited. I want to go home and show them my brand new knees. And I'm so thankful because I got my happiness back. I got my freedom back. I could stand and walk without a cane. IndiCure staff, 5 stars. Or if there's 50 stars, 50 stars. You guys provided everything I need.